What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And I apologize in advance because my lens keeps fogging up. I've been cleaning it, so you might see it start fogging up again. I'll try to keep it clear, but it's pretty nasty out here. It's real humid. It's not really raining, so we're really good right now. But yeah, it just kind of stopped. So we got a lot of R33s here. So we got this one 4-door, this one 4-door, and a 2-door. So yeah, take a look. Working on getting some wheels on this one. And of course we got this piece. Still pretty early. Actually, couple minutes past 4 right now. So, going to wait for a few people to show up. Homie is here. Tito, we're gonna go ahead and start looking at trying to get some shots together. But yeah, some of the homies said they're on the way, so they should be here shortly. And a couple get off work a little late, so they'll be showing up a little later as well. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. All right, there we go. Yeah, so we got some people showing up now. The ladies definitely coming through. I'll go ahead and put both of their Instagram tags on the screen as well as in the description. But yeah, I still can't get enough of these R33s. Let me know what you guys think of the 4-doors. Once you start lowering it and throw some wheels on it, looks so good. 2-doors good too. Getting the shoot started. Probably get a few more in this angle and then switch it up. But we got a nice little turnout. A few others came out to support my homies. Even though they don't have Altimas, it's dope that they came out to support. Weather's been pretty crazy, so I know a lot of people didn't come because of that, but we still have a few who said they're on their way as well. But yeah, probably gonna see if we can line up all the cars, all the Altimas together and get the shoots done. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think. The next event we're really going to be at is probably going to be the Central Florida Z Club. They have something going on, I believe the 26th or 7th at Ace Cafe. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll post it in there. On Facebook, the same thing. I'm going to be posted in the Ultima groups as well as the Nissan Times Infinity group, which is in the description below. So definitely check that out. Yeah. But definitely let me know what you think about the homie's cars. He's a little upset because he said it's dirty and he don't like the way it looked, but still look clean to me. Still looking clean even when it's dirty. Alright, so what we doing right now, we lining up, getting all the Altimas together, and we're gonna take some photos like that. So yeah, can't wait to see this. It's probably gonna be the thumbnail of, well, the video, but also it's probably gonna be for the group as well.
Is it kind of goes like out of pattern on colors? Black, silver, black, silver. But it's kind of like,
yeah. So kind of he's running with it, setting it up how he wants it, and we're going from there. But yeah, we got a nice little turnout, and it's still pretty early, so definitely let me know which Altima is your favorites, which setup you like the most. I kind of like something from everybody's, really. Keem's blacked out beast. I like Franz's stance, definitely. Just realized everybody's a 5th gen. Except for Baby Cakes, she got the 4th gen. So that's cool having her like that. Alright, he's gonna get up on the car and get a nice photo to turn out. Alright. Talk about dedicated. I can't get a good angle from where I'm at, but we'll see what he gets here. Alright, so the meet itself is over. We're rolling out to go get something to eat. We just went through this crazy amount of rain. Like, thought we was about to lose Franz back there. Yeah, it was pretty bad, but looks pretty good that way. But homie showed up. I don't know why this light is still red. I feel like we missed the light, but yeah. Depending on how much rain it is gonna depend on if I record when we get there or not. But I'll probably do something if we go inside and do it from there.
You feel like changing colors?
All right, it's starting to pick up a lot, and you see, I just cleaned the lenses already foggy, so I'm about to end the video here. But can you see it? There you go. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. So please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.